Hello students, welcome to your online computer class. This is our third session of chapter number 3, Charts in Microsoft Excel 2013. Students, in today's session we will be covering the practical part. So please pay attention and I hope all my students are practicing the formulas of chapter 2 also, right? Great. So now let's start our today's session. Chapter 3, Charts in Microsoft Excel 2013, Session 3. Students, we have covered details of all the charts in Session 2. Now in this session, we will cover the practical part of all the charts. Students, today we will see the practical of creating a chart. In that, placement of the chart, then adding chart elements. In that, axis titles, chart title, data labels, data tables, legends, and chart styles. So students, these all elements today we will see in the practical. Y-axis, data marker, x-axis, data table, axis titles, plot area, legend, grid lines, data label, chart title, chart area, and data series. So for all types of charts, we will see these elements. Let's get started. So students, let's start with first type of chart, that is column chart. For that you need to select the data. So I am selecting the data with category car models and sales value of 3 months January, February and March. Now go to the insert tab and in the middle of the ribbon there are chart options. Select chart option from there, column chart option. Here you can see we have 2D column and 3D column designs. So I'm selecting 3D column design. In that I'm selecting the first design. So here is the chart ready by clicking some options only. Now I want to move this chart in other worksheet because I want to create a new chart here. So select the chart. You will get two tabs in the menu bar, design and format tabs. Students, if the chart is not selected, then you will not get these tabs. See upper side, there is no design or format tab. So for that it is necessary to select the chart, then design and format tab is here. Go to the design tab. Last option, that is the move chart option. Click on it. This is the dialog box. In that it is asking you two options, new sheet or existing sheet. So I want new sheet. Here name the sheet. I'm giving column chart and click on OK. So my chart is moved to another sheet and in my existing sheet it is removed. So here is my chart. Now students, again select the chart, go to the design tab. Here are some chart styles option. So click on it, you will get different chart styles. I'm selecting this style. On the chart you have shortcut option also for the style. This is the shortcut option. You can select from here any style. Colors are also given. You can change the color also from here and you can change the color from here also. So you have two options from the design tab and on the chart you have a shortcut option also. Okay. Now let's start to add chart elements. So again, go to the design tab, and there is the first option, add chart element option. Okay, so go to the add chart element option. Here so many elements are given. Let's select elements one by one. First is axis. So already we have x axis and y axis. Then axis title. So I'm selecting axis title, horizontal axis title. Here I'm writing car models and format it from the home tab. Make the font bigger, bold, change the color also. So this is your x-axis. Now again select the chart, go to the design tab, add chart element, vertical. In this again I'm writing values. In the values we have January, February, March sales data. Make that font also bigger, bold, colorful. Okay, so this is my x-axis and y-axis title. Select the data, go to the design tab, add chart element, chart title. So here you can change the chart title, then add chart element, data labels. So here are your data labels, data table. So downside you are getting your data table, grid lines, back side of the chart, grid lines are there, then legend. So right side I'm getting the legend keys with color of the standing pillars. Okay, so this is your column chart. On the chart also you have a shortcut menu, that is the plus sign. So from here also you can select any chart and you will get your chart element options. Okay students, so this is your column chart. Very attractive, na? So students, let's proceed with bar chart option. Select the data, insert tab, go to the option. Here you will get 2D bar and 3D bar chart options. I'm selecting 3D bar chart. To move this chart, go to the design tab. Last option, move chart option, new sheet, bar chart. Okay, so this is my chart. Again, you can change the design from here. Then you can change the elements also from here. So these all are elements here, and you can change it from the design option also. You can change the colors also. So this is your bar chart. Okay students, like column chart, you can add your all the elements in the bar chart also, and you can change the title of the axis and chart title also. Okay. Now let's proceed with pie chart. So I told you before that for the pie chart you can select only one data series. So you need to select any one value from the Jan, Feb and March. Okay, so I'm selecting this category, press Ctrl key and select February data. Okay, if you want to select January data, then it is simple. You can select like this. But if you want to select February data but not the January data, then select the car models, Control key and select the February. So this is your data series. Again, go to the insert menu, and here is the pie chart option, 2D pie, then 3D pie chart. Let's move this chart into another worksheet. So move chart option, pie, okay. Change the styles. Then you can change elements also from here. So this is your pie chart, okay. Like this, you can create donut chart also. So again, select the data, insert menu. This is your donut chart with rings, okay. You can select from the chart style different rings, and you can add chart elements also from here, okay, like chart title, then data table or anything. Okay, to move this chart, again click on move chart, and this is your donut chart. Okay, so it is moved to another sheet. Change the color. So this is your donut chart with different rings. Now last chart type, that is your line chart. So select the data. From here you can select 2D chart, 3D chart. Let's select the 3D chart. Okay, so this is your 3D chart. Change the chart style. So different colors, background colors and all are here. Then change the color also. The bright colors you can select, and add chart elements. So you can select the chart element. So this is your line chart, and you can see the charts are more clear compared to data. Here you can clearly check that your data is growing or drowning.
So clear all of you? These are your 5 charts. Do practice again and again, okay? Thank you. Take care. God bless you all.